Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Buck Lodge Middle School in Adelphi, Maryland, home of the Vikings and part of the Prince George's County Public School District. My first time getting to come to the campus here. Got to speak to various 7th and 8th graders, students and staff today in the cafeteria right behind this wall. And it was such an honor, just because it's such an important topic. Usually the first one I do for an initial visit to a school. But the primary theme was bullying. The sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? And we know that our hearts are as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. Where one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat them, hopefully with love. But also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, say something so destructive that it stays on their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life. And to make that conscious choice daily, to first love ourselves, right? But then to spread that love out, it's huge. And not only just look at the heart first, but I bring up this concept in all my assemblies, every topic that I do, and it's the fact that all of us are true miracles, right? All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. Trace one of mine here. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M we know stands for Maryland. No, just kidding. It stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because some people I speak to, sometimes they've forgotten that, they've never been told that, and we can be that light to their heart, right? And no matter what we're going through, have gone through, will go through, we know that one of the biggest reasons that bullying happens is that hurt people, but we can always choose to become the healed people who heal people, right? Let that love fully enter our hearts and then start to show that same kindness that was shown to us to everybody around us. And until we do become healed fully, we can't really be all in for this planet, right? Be all in for this world, because there's so many people around us that are hurting and need that support. But if we have a lot going on in here, then we really aren't attuned to the people that are around us. Sometimes our classmates sitting right next to us that are going through something, and we can hopefully, be that best friend, right? And it's not easy. This means that, we have to sometimes, forgive the people that have shown us hatred. But again, we always have this opportunity to step into compassion, to step into empathy, to show respect, to show kindness, and this world needs a lot more of it, right? And look, bullying, it's something that's repeated. It's over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, like I mentioned earlier, those 2 seconds where we know we can either uplift or tear down, we have to be so conscious and so aware of what we say, what we do, that it could leave that mark on someone's heart forever, right? Do we want that to be a, great mark, or are we gonna add to some more of their pain? And I think that's the opportunity we have here, is to know that in just 2 seconds, we can change a life forever, maybe even save a life. And why we have to be all in for this earth, to be that change that Gandhi talks about, to show that love that Dr. King has, what he stood for, what those 2 peacemakers lived for, and what so many of us are striving for, right? And we'll fall short. Doesn't make us bad people. We have a bad day. But if we really, again, just have that focused intention to keep shining, to keep just being that beacon of hope and that light for someone else around us, that's what this is all about. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.